Hey guys, today is day 15. I would love to thank you for all the kind comments and reactions you have been giving on my videos. Thank you so much for the support. And for today, the topic is Costa Rica. Very excited for this country. Let's go. Costa Rica is a country in Central America. The official language of Costa Rica is Spanish. The name La Costa Rica, which means rich coast in the Spanish language, was in some accounts first applied by Christopher Columbus, who sailed to the eastern shores of Costa Rica during his final voyage in 1502 and reported vast quantities of gold jewelry worn by natives. The country experiences a tropical climate year-round. There are two seasons. The summer or dry season is December to April, and winter or rainy season is May to November. Costa Rica has a rich variety of flora and fauna. Although deforestation, illegal pet trading, and hunting prevailed in the past, Costa Rica is the first tropical country to have stopped and reversed deforestation. It has successfully restored its forestry and developed an ecosystem service to teach biologists and ecologists about its environmental protection measures. Costa Rica is the most visited nation in the Central American region. A pioneer in ecotourism, Costa Rica draws many tourists to its extensive series of national parks and other protected areas. In November 2017, National Geographic magazine named Costa Rica as the happiest country in the world. The country routinely ranks high in various happiness metrics. The article included this summary: Costa Ricans enjoy the pleasure of living daily life to the fullest in a place that mitigates stress and maximizes joy. Tico is an idiomatic term used for a native of Costa Rica. Costa Ricans are usually called Ticos by themselves as well as by people of other Spanish-speaking countries. The most recognizable phrases among Ticos is Pura Vida, pure life in a literal translation. It reflects the inhabitants' philosophy of life, denoting a simple life, free of stress, a positive, relaxed feeling. The expression is used in various contexts in conversation. Often, people walking down the streets or buying food at shops say hello by saying Pura Vida. It can be phrased as a question or as an acknowledgement of one's presence. Basically, Pura Vida is a perspective to life that evokes a spirit that is carefree, laid back, and optimistic. The country is said to be the happiest in Latin America. Reasons include the high level of social services, the caring nature of its inhabitants, long life expectancy, and relatively low corruption. Costa Rica has one of the oldest democracies in Latin America, having avoided many of the political problems in the region in the 1970s and 1980s. It's very interesting to note that Costa Rica hasn't had a national army since 1948. Costa Rican coffee beans are considered among the best in the world. Coffee production has played a key role in Costa Rica's history and continues to be important to the country's economy. As a small country, Costa Rica now provides under 1% of the world's coffee production. This is a very interesting fact that Costa Rica is home to approximately 5% of the world's biodiversity, but only occupies around 0.3% of the planet's surface. For the Costa Rican inspired art today, I have tried an abstract style of painting. As the country is tucked between the shorelines of the Caribbean and the Pacific Ocean, the beaches of Costa Rica are diverse with unique and varying personalities. The blue sky, various coastlines, coconut trees, orchids, and many more beautiful flowers. Costa Rica is a tropical paradise for nature lovers. I hope you guys like this artwork. Thank you so much for watching.